Hello and welcome back everyone to the next episode on SAP Build Apps Low Code No Code Development Training with AnubhavTrainings.com. In the last episode, we talked about how to use the power of CSRF token handling with SAP Build Apps by integrating it with your S4HANA. In today's session, we will learn how to use productivity tools with SAP BTP CAP to deploy an application into the cloud and then integrate that with SAP Build Apps. So, SAP CAP or Cloud Application Programming Model is the gold standard or the new normal for building cloud native application using Node.js or Java programming language. It offers very powerful capability to design and develop end-to-end applications with microservice architecture. We can develop full stack applications or extensions directly into BTP. If you are more interested to learn CAP, please think of subscribing our SAP BTP CAPM training available on anubhavtrainings.com. However, in today's session, I will show you how did I went ahead and created a CAP application, deployed it into BTP, and then using the data coming from an API to consume it in the build apps. So what I've done so far is already use SAP Build Code, which is the Pro Code tool provided by SAP. And here I have created a stock table and also a stock service where I'm storing my favorite stocks, my favorite share market portfolio, and set of securities and commodities like gold, silver, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and magnificent seven stocks of my portfolio into the cloud. We are then going to use this information to create an application in Build App to consume this data coming from a CAP application. We have used SAP Joule to generate this entire application with powerful generative AI capability. If you want to learn this end to end, join our SAP Build Apps training where we cover this topic in detail. However, once we deploy, we get a microservice up and running in the cloud and a destination stock SRV got created. Once the deployed microservice is up and running in the cloud, we can then consume this into SAP Build Apps. So let me show you the deployed application. Here it is. It's up and running now. I will now go back and consume this stock service to show my favorite top stock picks and commodities into a build app. So let's create a new build app, application, front end, web and mobile with build apps, and I can say Anubhav portfolio, and I can click on review and create. So it launches again the build apps where I can build low code, no code applications. And now I will just choose here a couple of things. So first of all, let me add an image over there on the screen to give a better look and feel. Choose this image from my computer and I've already got a beautiful stock images there. I will add that image to my page. Uh-uh, and then I will delete the title. I will change the background color to black color, which looks much better for stock applications. Now I go to integration, add an integration with BTP destination, and I choose my stock SRV. I enable my stock table, install the integration and enable the data entity. Then I will come back and just drag and drop a list control to show my favorite stocks over there. I come back and I will now start mapping. So let's map it with our data variable. Let me create a data variable for our stocks entity and I will map it with my data variable now. Then I will map it with the title property with the name of the stock or the commodity and then also the description text where I will show the my current quantity which I purchased. Superb. Additionally, we can just have a image source. So let me just get Bitcoin logo, and I will choose a beautiful Bitcoin logo over there from images. Nice. Perfect. Let's come back and add the image source. And there you go. Nice. Once it is complete, we can save it and now test our application. But before that, let's also add a bit of more styling over there for the list by making its also background color to dark color. So I will come back and change the background color for the list as well with dark color, because stock applications often have the dark color. Change the title color to little bit in the, let's say, other colors I would like to use. Maybe I will go with the aqua. Yeah, we can just change it to aqua. Let's call it as demo and save. And then we also change the coloring for this gentleman over there. We will use blue color, looks better. And I say bleed blue. I can save now, and it's the time to preview my build apps. So this is the data of my current portfolio, which will come from SAP CAP application in the cloud. There you go. You can see I'm holding Amazon 5, TCS, Anubhav Training 5000, Microsoft, Bitcoin. Yes, all the information you can see it here. Superb. So this is how you can integrate with SAP BTP deployed CAP application and create an amazing build apps. Thank you once again for joining this episode. I hope to see you in my next session. Till then, happy building and goodbye.